Yeah,
let's talk now, Pete, about, and this might bode well, folks, for Disney that's got earnings on Wednesday. um, Six, which is Six Flags Great America, they used to be called. Now I think they just call it Six Flags, Pete. They dropped the Great America part, which is a mistake. They report 84 cents to 80 versus 85 cents. Revenue 142 million, which is about 8 million above estimates. So it wasn't a beat on the bottom line, but it was a beat on the top line number. And they're getting a lot more guests through the turnstiles already at Six, and that's why the stock's up double digits.
Yeah, stock's having a great reaction, John. I don't know. I'd actually almost be in the side of this might be something you'd want to fade. And I only say that because when I look at those earnings numbers, that wasn't so great. Yeah, the revenue was great. That's great. They're also spending more in the parks. I do appreciate that. So I think that from that standpoint, the metrics are pretty good. By the way, heavy volume today in there as well. But, John, when you're looking at the guest spending being up 542 from 453 a year ago, that is great, but it's not really hitting the bottom line. And they're blaming a little bit on weather, which is understandable. You can understand that. Obviously, certain parts of Texas, Florida, there are storms that occur that can cause some of that. But I don't know, John, I sure would like to see those earnings look better. I want those margins. I want all of that. And I think revenue is great. People are willing to travel and they're going out. They are doing that. They're spending when they're there. But are the numbers there where they can actually start showing us that they can make a lot of money? And I'm not so sure that they are.
And Pete, there was a little thing that I found, a little tab when I was digging through on their short interest, which is double digits. It's 10 or 11%. But this one I thought was interesting, including dark pool trades. About 1 in 5 shares were short. Now, that's not the same as the short interest, folks,
right?
But going into this number, about 20% of the bets in dark pools were shorts. 22% actually. So that's a pretty interesting number. That tells you why those people are getting squeezed as this stock goes higher.
I was going to say, you want to talk about squeeze? That's a squeeze, folks. That's how it works.
Want more from Market Rebellion? Don't forget to like and subscribe, and learn more about options trading at marketrebellion.com.